Meaning of future perfect.
Future perfect.
Future perfect.
Future perfect.
Future perfect. Future perfect is a verb tense in English that refers to an action that will be completed at a certain point in the future. In this tense, we use the auxiliary verb will with the main verb and the past participle of the main verb. The result is a statement that describes an action that will be finished before a specified time or event in the future. For example, by the end of this year, I will have finished my degree. This sentence describes an action, finishing the degree, that will be completed before the end of the year. Overall, the future perfect tense allows us to talk about what will be achieved in the future by a certain point in time.